Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials. And today we came up with an interesting concept wherein we will be looking after the people management topics, and also we will see like how we can handle a critical situations while working with any of the process with regards to the email or call or chat. So welcome back guys. So don't miss to click on subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you guys can get the notification. Watch out our playlist guys. You will find a video related to Six Sigma certification, trainers, quality, team lead. So multiple videos are there. Also you will find dashboards and reports that will help you in your daily task. So let's start today's concept, that is on how to handle angry customers while having a call. So this is the situation wherein I have seen multiple people are there who are facing these issues and they get uh, disturbed, or else I can say they get frustrated that how we can tackle such kind of customers. So let's start the concept and let's start the discussion on it, and we will see how we can get a solution on it. So before moving to our video, I just want to tell you multiple people have their multiple observation to tackle the situation. In the same way, I have just used few points. I can say I have used some few logics or few methodology that you guys can use. I'm not saying that this is 100% will give you the benefit at the end, but yes, this may help you to tackle such calls if there is a customer who is very much angry on the service or else on the concern wherein he did not got the resolution from the long back, or maybe there is some loss happened to the customer. So let's start today's concept, and here I'm taking an example of a calling process, email and chat process, wherein there was an associate John. He got a call when the customer is very much angry. Reason that is he want a refund on the product which he actually ordered. So let's start this situation and understand how we can handle this situation here. So I'll tell you guys what you need to do at a first instance. First of all, we need to listen the customer carefully, completely without interruption. If a customer is speaking, maybe he came up with a situation wherein he already spoke with two or three customer executive, or maybe he had done the first call and he just got a situation wherein he want a refund from our side. Okay, so first of all, listen the customer concern completely without interruption, and while listening to the concern, make sure you will use some call that okay, yes, understood sir. You need to use such words so that you will engage the customer and customer will feel that yes, someone is there who is listening to his particular call or also concern. Next, be empathic and towards the customer. Guys, this is the main thing you need to follow. Okay, empathetic is the main thing you need to follow, guys, because without this, you will not able to tackle the customer. Okay, so be calm, compose, and just give the solution and try to understand the customer situation. Don't raise your voice as he is angry on the company product or a service, not on you. Basically guys, if you are getting a call from the customer, you haven't done any mistake there. It was just happened because customer did not read out the policies, or maybe there is a situation wherein customer is waiting from the for the resolution from the long time. Okay, there may be a two situations. Okay, correct guys. If there is within the policy, definitely he will get a resolution. Maybe it got delayed. If that is not in under the policy, definitely customer need to bear that particular loss. Correct. At that instant, don't consider that he is scolding you, he is giving bad words, he is using multiple words which are actually not to speak, but he is using that. Don't consider he is telling to you. Okay, so I'm telling here is he is not happy with the service provided by the company, or else the product what he ordered or something happened there. So don't take anything personally. Okay, If you handle 40-50 calls a day and while leaving to the office you got such call, at that time also I'm giving you the same answer, guys. Don't take things personally. Next, don't get upset or angry. This situation occur when you do not have a good process knowledge, guys. Okay, so I would tell all the quality people, trainers, and the team leads, if a person is coming up with a situation where he is not able to handle the angry customer, there would be a prime reason, that is that your associate is not aware with the process completely. Due to that he got upset, due to that he got demotivated, and he gave maybe a wrong answer, or maybe he was not able to speak in front of the customer. Meantime, we have also seen that people also get angry over to the customer and they will disconnect the call from themselves. That not to be done, because that is against the policy and there will be a critical consequences on that. So knowledge gap is the issue here. That need to be controlled, and that can only happen by the quality people, training people, and the team lead need to check over here. Next, timely follow-up. There would be a outbound call you guys are doing. Maybe there will be a outbound emails also we are doing. Okay, so timely follow-ups needed. If you have give the solution to the customer that kindly wait for 2 to 3 days, and after 2 to 3 days you are not responding him, or else you are not giving him any answer there. If you still think that the concern team is working on it, definitely just follow up, email on him, that on to the customer mail ID, that the team is still working on the concern and they required few more days to check the concerns. So just do the timely follow-up. Avoid long hold. This create a mess. Reason, customer is already frustrated, and if you keep hold of around 15 to 20 minutes, definitely he will think that we are doing nothing, we are just sitting there, and we are just wasting the time for the customer. So that reason there would be a hold policy for each of the process, correct guys? So you need to refresh the call after, like if I would say that about my company or else XYZ company, there is a hold policy of 1 minute. Okay, example. So this is just an example. So after 1 minute, you need to refresh the call while telling the customer that kindly allow me some time. I still need a time to cross check the details. Do this for 2 times. Post that, if you still require a time, just again refresh the call and tell that I'm still checking the concern and I would require 2 to 3 minutes to check the details and would like to keep your call on hold again. So take a time more. Okay, you can do that. That is again depend on the quality and the training people, if they suggest you. So this situation also you can in this way also you can tackle those customers. Now, apology but not irritate the customer every time while saying the sorry. This situation also occur when the person is not able to speak properly in front of customer, and customer is telling something and in every 2 minutes he is telling I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. That actually not work, because customer will feel irritated. So at that time, if you, that is the reason the first point comes here. Just listen the customer completely and avoid the interruption. Tell him the apology. If you still find there is a apology required, tell, but not every time, otherwise customer will feel that he just don't want to help and he just telling me sorry and avoiding the situation. Now use proper phrases while dealing with the customer. These proper phrases in the sense, uh, keep your points perfectly, politely, so that customer will understand that the person who is sitting there, who is talking with me, he will definitely give me a solution on the a problem which actually occurred to the customer. Okay, we will see some phrases in my upcoming slide so that you will understand this thing very clearly. Now, think. Keep yourself at a customer position. Whenever you speak with the customer, always keep yourself in the position of customer and think there, if you would have faced this situation, how you will react. Correct guys? So I would suggest not take these things personally, but at least think the position of the customer and give the solution to him. Use proper sentences while having the conversation. This also occurred again same because of knowledge gap. If you don't know the proper solution, if you do not aware with the policies, definitely you will give some XYZ answer and customer will get again irritated, and he will tell that the earlier customer care agent told me this particular answer, you are giving me some different answer. So this situation may also occur. always stick to the point. This is, you should always have a good process knowledge while speaking to the customer. You should always have a proper uh, follow-up emails, and you have already cross-checked all the details what is happened to the customer. So you should have all the proper information available with you. Okay, at last, guide the policies. Okay, so this will occur, so there would be a two situations, guys, wherein associate come up with the concern. If the things are in control that we can handle, use this particular point, give the proper resolution, guys, I would say 100% customer will give you a positive feedback. If there is a situation wherein the things are not in our control because it is against the policy, example, uh, a customer ordered mobile phone, wherein the mobile phone have a policy that it had only a replacement, but he will not able to do the return. Okay, so at that instant customer will tell that why I am not able to return this product, I want to just return it because I don't want it. At that time, you need to guide the customer very politely, guide him, show him where the policy is, guide him where he can check the policies, ask him to check the details completely. Okay, so if you guide him politely, if you show him the way where he can check the policies, definitely he will understand. And if something which is related to the policy, it is already being explained on the page before ordering or sending back the product again, definitely customer will understand the situation. Again he will come up and he will tell, I did not read the policy, sorry boss, I can completely understand that you have not read the policies, but sir, this is necessary to read the policy before purchasing any product. So I would suggest, sir, please read it once again, so that there will be no any issue occurred in future. So close it in a polite way so that customer will understand the situation. If he still says that please do something because I need money and it's very much urgent, sorry sir, it is against the policy, we will not able to help you here. In this way you can close the conversation. So at the starting I told you these are few situations and few points that you need to keep in mind. I'm not telling this is the 100% solution for all the angry customer, that how we can handle it. Okay, so this is all about the process or the way to handle the customer. I would suggest all the trainers, team lead and quality people, please have this session with your associates and guide them in this particular way so that they can tackle such kind of customer very easily. It will help you, and in two things: first, the associate will give the correct solution, and second, it will also reduce your AHT. Okay, the call will get wind up very soon, and they will be able to consider on the second call as well. Now there are few phrases, guys, you can use it while handling the angry customer. Like you can tell that we completely understand your concern, if I would be at your place I would have felt the same. This is some kind of a gesture we are, or else the kindness we are showing in front of customer. Your issue is a cause for concern, let's find out why this happened. Is there anything else about the situation I need to know? Thank you for being patient while I look into the issues. I can tell you are frustrated, and my job is to make you sure that and you will not get frustrated anymore. Again, I'm telling you guys, it totally depend on your process to process, because few of the companies have few phrases, few predefined phrases that they need to use. Kindly get in touch with your trainer, team lead, so that, and quality people, so that they can give you a good phrases that you guys can use while working with your particular field, guys. Again, I'm telling you guys, please check out the policies, the process, the SOP, and then deal with the customers. Phrases, please connect with your team lead, trainers, and the quality people. They will give you a good phrases that you guys can use over the call. So this is all about that, how you can handle the angry customer while having any of the call. So I hope you guys have received few information. I would say only a few information here, but still if you have a doubt, please reach out to me, share your feedback in the comment section. I will try to help you out, guys, if there is any a new situation occurred while handling the angry customer. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't miss to share this particular video and subscribe the channel. Help your colleagues to get a good scores with low AHT. Okay, and check out our Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn page also, guys. You will get multiple information about the tutorials, also the new vacancies. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.